Will he or won't he? Speculations are abuzz in Maharashtra politics after Jayant Patil, who is currently the Maharashtra president of the NCP of Sharad Pawar group, denied speculations, saying that there were rumors that he met Union Home Minister Amit Shah in Pune yesterday. But clearly, for the last few days, these are the speculations that have been doing rounds in the politics of Maharashtra, particularly after lots of pictures showing bonhomie between Jayant Patil and Sunil Tatkare surfaced. There were sources who confirmed that Jayant Patil had been in touch with Praful Patel for quite some time now as well. Now, Amit Shah, who was on a 2-day visit to Pune, particularly to focus on the Lok Sabha elections as well, is learned to have allegedly met Jayant Patil on the sidelines of the visit. Clearly, Jayant Patil has denied the visit, but on the background of the continuous political turmoil in the state, this is something that has led to further speculations in Maharashtra politics on whether Jayant Patil will take a call soon on making a switch from Sharad Pawar to Ajit Pawar, or will possibly have some understanding with the BJP for the upcoming Lok Sabha elections either. As of now, Jayant Patil has denied those speculations. Not just that, he was also present for all the party meetings at the NCP headquarters at Ballard Pier yesterday. But top sources within the NCP did confirm that Jayant Patil has definitely been in touch with Praful Patel and has been in talks with him. Now, whether that will clearly lead to a decision for Jayant Patil within the coming fortnight or a month, or whether Jayant Patil will continue to be in Sharad Pawar camp, is something that remains to be seen. But at a time when there is tremendous chaos and confusion among the NCP cadres themselves, particularly after last week's event where both Sharad Pawar and Ajit Pawar were seen sharing the stage with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, if Jayant Patil is also seen making the switch, not only will this add to further confusion among the cadres, but possibly this might send out a signal that Sharad Pawar himself might be rethinking about his hold over the party. All these, right now, political pundits say are mere speculations, but in the politics of Maharashtra, where nothing has been impossible till date, speculations are something that everybody is hanging by. For the few days from now, it will have to be seen about what stance Jayant Patil continues to take.